Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Prisma ORM with PostgreSQL for Next.js, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by setting up your Next.js project. Open your terminal and create a new Next.js application using the command npx create next app your project name. Navigate to your project directory by running cd your project name. Install Prisma and PostgreSQL dependencies using the command npm install Prisma at prisma/client. Next, initialize Prisma in your project. Run the command npx prisma init. This will create a new folder named Prisma with a schema.prisma file inside. Open the schema.prisma file in your code editor. In the data source block, set the provider to PostgreSQL. Add your database URL from the PostgreSQL connection string in the URL field. For example, it will look like this: URL equals env, database_URL. Now, create a new PostgreSQL database if you haven't already. You can do this using a GUI tool like pgadmin or through the command line. Next, define your data models in the schema.prisma file. For example, create a model for users like this: model user, ID inted ID at default, auto increment, name string email string at unique. Once your models are ready, save the schema.prisma file. Now, apply the migrations to your database. Run the command npx prisma migrate devname init. This will generate and execute the necessary migrations. To access your database, you can use the command npx prisma studio. This opens a web interface where you can visualize your data. Next, create a new API route in your Next.js project. Create a new folder called pages/API/users. Inside this folder, create a new file called index.js. Import Prisma client at the top of the index.js file. Instantiate a new Prisma client instance like so: const prisma equals new Prisma client. Create an asynchronous function to handle GET requests. Use Prisma to fetch all users with const users equals await prisma.user.findMany. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.